New York City actually require, if you're going to sue New York City, they actually have a law where you have to file what's called a notice of claim. And some of the New York state trial lawyers of the New York State Trial Lawyers Association actually maintains a log of them. So we can actually go back 5, 7 years and look at all the location of dangerous sidewalks in the city of New York. So people definitely complain. There are 311 logs. These tend to be some cases that have been brought against the city, but still they do document cases where there are defects within the city of New York in front of apartment buildings, in front of stores. And certainly people complain. They usually complain to their supers. And it's not uncommon for a tenant to have an accident and say, yeah, I texted the super a picture of this 2 months ago. Or they find a neighbor who complained about it and who texted the super or told the super. And really, even if someone says, yeah, I reported it, I told it to them, that's enough. And it really becomes a question of are they being truthful or not?